Good day, family. Welcome to Zimist Coded. Today, we're tackling a super handy skill, splitting a 29-page PDF into multiple separate files with ease. Ever had a large PDF and needed just a few pages? Or wanted to break it into sections for easier sharing? Well, we've got you covered. We'll be using a simple yet powerful online tool, Smallpdf. It's fast, efficient, and works right from your browser. So let's dive in. Step 1. Accessing Smallpdf. First, open your browser and go to smallpdf.com. Now there are two ways to find the Split PDF tool. 1. Click on the Tools menu and select Split PDF under the Organize group. 2. Or click Explore All PDF Tools on the homepage and select Split PDF from there. Once selected, we're taken to the Splitting section. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. Uploading your PDF. To split a file, we need to upload it first. There are multiple upload options. From device, your computer or phone, from Smallpdf if you've already uploaded files before, from Dropbox, from Google Drive. Let's go ahead and click Choose Files to select our 29-page PDF. You can even upload multiple PDFs if needed. Step 3. Exploring the splitting tool. Once uploaded, you'll see a preview of every page, super useful for making modifications before splitting. Here's what you can do in the preview. Add more PDFs. Click the Add button to combine multiple PDFs before splitting. Rotate pages. Use Rotate Left and Rotate Right to adjust orientation. Now, let's move on to some additional options applicable to selected pages. The Preview button gives a better look at the selected pages. We can navigate through the pages for a detailed view. If needed, we can rotate the previewed pages. There's also an option to delete the previewed page. Next, we have the Rotate button, which allows us to rotate a selected page. After that, there's the Duplicate button, which creates a copy of the selected page. And finally, the Delete button removes a specific page from the PDF. We can also rearrange pages by simply dragging and dropping them into the desired position. Now, let's focus on splitting the PDF. Step 4. Splitting the PDF. Automatic versus manual. Option 1. Automatic splitting. The split after every feature automatically breaks the document into equal parts. For example, select 1, each page becomes a separate file. Select 2, every 2 pages are grouped together. Select 3, every 3 pages are grouped together, and so on. Notice how the split lines are placed accordingly? Option 2, manual splitting. Want more control? Use the Split Here button or Cut to manually choose where to split. Click Split Here at your desired points, maybe after pages 5, 10, 15, and 20. You can see the number of resulting PDFs at the top right, in this case, 5 files. You can combine both automatic and manual splitting. First, set the split after every, then add extra splits manually using Split Here wherever needed. Need to remove a split? Just click on it again to undo it. Step 5. Exporting the files. Once satisfied with the splits, click Split PDF and wait a few seconds while the tool processes your request. Now, you'll see all the individual PDF files ready for download. You have multiple saving options. Download each PDF separately. Save to Smallpdf, Dropbox, or Google Drive. Export as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or images. But we want to download all PDFs at once. The best way? Click Download as Zip. This will pack all the split files into one easy-to-download archive. Let's open the zip file and check. Perfect. The PDFs are split exactly as needed. And that's it. You now know how to split PDFs like a pro using Smallpdf. Whether you need equal splits, manual cuts, or a mix of both, this tool makes it effortless. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more awesome tutorials. See you in the next video.